Hi, this is Yogesh Agarwal, and in this video, I'm going to give you a complete walkthrough on each and every section of traffic sensation. So once you have logged in, you will be seeing the screen. This is our campaign page. So I'm going to explain about all the other features first, and then I'll go to campaign and automation section so that it will be quite easy for you to understand. Okay, so this is campaign section, this is automation section, and this is my music. So for example, if you have your own music that you want to use as a background music in your video, then you can go to this page, my music, and click on upload music, and you can upload your own music here. By the way, we have hundreds of free inbuilt musics. You can select from them, or else if you want to use your own, only then you have to use this section. So the next section is thumbnail creator. As it's clearly mentioned in name, in this section you can create an amazing thumbnail for your videos. Okay, you can either start from scratch, or you can like use an existing photo or image, whatever as like you want. Okay, so for this demo I'm going to use a dummy image, so I'll be selecting this image. Now it has completed loading the image, so I'm going to like walk you through with some basic functionalities of this thumbnail creator. So first thing is filter. Here you can apply a filter to the image. For example, I'm applying Polaroid here. As you see, this filter is applied, and this is how it looks. So once you complete applying the filter, you can click on apply. That's it, you are done. You can either download it or you can click here. That is the other functionalities of this editor. And like you can adjust height or width here. If you don't want, just click on cancel, and let's say if you want to draw something, just click on draw and select the brush color. I'll be selecting red and I'm drawing it here. You can select the brush size as well. Here you can select the brush type as well. So this is the functionality of draw. And text, it is quite self-explanatory, but still I'll be explaining to you. Here you can select different styles of text. Just click on it and it will be applied. And here you can select the color. If you want a gradient color, you can just click on gradient and click on it, and it will be applied. If you want some texture, you can also apply the texture here. And the background color, if you want to, you see this background is changed now. You can resize by clicking on the edge and dragging. And opacity, outline, you see this is how the outline works, and the same thing goes for shadow as well. So this is how you can apply a text on your thumbnail. The same thing goes for shapes and stickers as well. Let me show you some stickers, and here you can see several stickers. You just need to click and drag here so that you can see like more of them. For example, I'll be adding a sticker. You see, just click on it and it will be added. And here are the categories of stickers like doodles, landmarks, bubbles, transportation, and you can set the color, background, opacity, outline, and shadow as well. So this is all about sticker, and the same thing goes for frames. For example, I have selected this frame and I can adjust the size of frames here. Click on apply. That's it. The corners, that is right now it has square corner. I'll just adjust this, and you see, are you seeing this dots here? This is how the image will be cropped. So this is all about thumbnail creator. and this is the agency version where you can add your clients or your employees so that they can use a product. uh, basically this uses the same account, just the logins will be different. So to use it, just simply click on add client, enter the details, and that's it. And you can email them the details and login URL, and they'll be able to log in into the app. Okay, now let's see the element section. So these are custom elements. For example, you have your own GIF or image or anything that you'd like to use inside the video editor, then you need to add them here. For example, I have my own photo which I want to add. So I'll just select a category, social media. I'll just select the photo now. So I'll just select one of my photos. I'll just click on add element, and you see here my photo is added here. So like this you can add several type of elements here, like GIF, the subscribe animations, and lower third images, etc. So this is all about element section. And this traffic edition, SEO edition, you like basically it will take you to another app where you can use the same login as Traffic Sensation to log in into the app. And this is the training section, and this is the logout link. Okay, so this is pretty much all about other features of Traffic Sensation. Now let's move to the main feature of Traffic Sensation, which is creating video. So let me start. Just click on campaign. This is our campaign page, and these are all my previously created campaigns. Okay, so if a video is rendered, you will get the link here where you can see the preview. And this is the edit campaign option, this is delete campaign, this is clone, and this is download video option. So to create a campaign, just click on create campaign, enter the campaign name. I'll just put as test campaign. And here I have two options. I can either create from scratch or else I can create from URL. Create from scratch pretty much creates all the slides, and you have to add text manually. And this part, create from URL, it basically extracts text from a website and creates slides based on the content. Okay, so for demo I'll be using second option. So I'll be extracting text from one of my website. Once I give the URL here, including the protocol, whether it's HTTP or HTTPS, I'll just click on create from URL, and here we'll be getting a lot of text. So I'll be just cutting it short because we don't want to create over 15,000 characters because it's gonna take a bit of time. So for training purpose, I'll be cutting short the content of text. So here it is. So once this is generated, and once you have selected the text that you want to create video of, click on next, and again you will be shown the same page. Here you can see the campaign that you have created. Now you have to click on edit. Now here you need to select a template. So we have a couple of templates here. Basically they are like, these are of very good backgrounds of different niche, and they are like, they have everything in common, like the font style, text style, background color, font color, etc. It all goes with the background video. So I'll be selecting this one for now. This is my favorite one. So I'll just click on continue to next step. So once you get into the editor, ensure to click on save, because this basically saves your entire session, so you don't have to select template and redo everything. Okay, so this is the editor, this is the main part of this app. Here you have several options. This is undo and redo button, this is save, and this is export, and here this is finish button. So once you click on export or finish, it will basically set up the video on the render queue. Now let's move into the options. Here you can set the resolution of video, and these are the slide transition effects. I'll talk later about that. And you see, these are the options we have right now. This is our editor. You can just click on here, and let's say if you want to change the font, or if you want to change the text, you just need to click on it and just type. That's it. Nothing is needed. Everything is basically drag and drop, and you just need to click on it to use it. Okay, so here first thing I want to talk about is story. So basically these are the slides that we have created here. If you want to create a new slide, just click on this button and a new slide will be created with the same template, or a template that is, it will take images like from the content it sees fit. We are using a lot of stock medias here, so it will be randomized each and every time you create a new slide. Okay, so these are the contents, and basically you can edit the content as well, and you can create as many slides as you want. And let's say if you want to change anything in the slide, for example, if you don't want this video to be played on slide number 2, what you can do is come to the media. Here you can search from our collection of over 1 million stock images and video footages. So let's say I'll be searching for computer. You see, I got a lot of searches here. So what I'll do is I'll just click, drag and drop. Okay, again I will click on this, so this element is selected. Now I'll click on set as background. You see, in this slide there won't be any video but only image as background. So this is how you can change the background of a slide, and the same thing goes for video as well. You can search and then drag and drop and then click on set as background. That's it. So this is how you can change the background of a video. This is all about media. So far I have covered story and media. Now let's move to elements. Here you can add a lot of elements. For example, if you want to add a lower third, you can just click, drag and drop. Okay, so this is how you can add a lower third in the video, and you can add the text here as well. And let's say if you have some GIF or some custom animation, you can add them here. Like, just select it and then drag it, drop it. That's it. You see, this will be playing in our actual video. So this is all about elements. So basically elements will allow you to add your own images or any kind of custom animation in a GIF format inside the video. And now let's talk about branding. So here you can add an intro or outro to the video. Intro means this specific clip or image will play in the start of video, and for outro it will play at the end of video. Like, you can add some kind of CTAs or something like that. So all you have to do is just drag and drop your video file here of MP4 format only. And that's all about intro and outro. Now let's talk about watermark. It is basically the same. Just drag and drop a transparent image here, select the position, that's it, you're done. So on that position, like, this will be maintained throughout the video. So let me show you a small example. I'll be adding this. I'll be set as right. So now when the video is rendered, this arrow, this image will be in the bottom right. So this is all about branding. And now let's talk about topography. So here, let's say if you want to change the background color or font or font color, then topography is where you need to come. So just select the text section and then click on topography. Here you can select the font family. For example, I'll be selecting Open Sans Bold. You see, you can see a live preview here, and I'm going to change the font color to red and the bold color, that is the background color, to yellow. You see, it is changed in this particular slide only. If you want to have this exact styling in all the slides, then you have to click on apply. So once you do that, it will be applied in all the slides. Okay, and you can see the preview once you click on save. You see, now you can see live preview of all the slide. So this is all about topography. So this is all about topography, and now let's talk about transitions. So here transitions are automatically applied. So to change a transition, you need to select a slide, and then here you need to come to transition, and you can see all the transitions here. Like you can see a preview as well. All you need to do is to click on preview button, and the preview will start in a few seconds. You see, if you want to apply this transition on this slide, just select it, that's it. And let's say if I want to change transition type of slide number 3, I'll just click on slide number 3, come to transition, and then click on a transition. That's it. Slide number 5, I'm changing the transition. That's it. So basically you can see the transition which is applied in this slide by clicking on it, and that particular transition will be highlighted here as well as here. So if I want to change the transition of this 7th slide, I'll be just clicking on it, clicking on the preview. Okay, I like it, but I want to do a simple zoom here, so I'll just click on preview. Okay, this is looking good, so I'll be selecting it. That's it. So once I do apply, it will be applied to all the slides. If I don't click on apply, then it will be applied only to this specific slide. Okay, so this is all about transitions. And now to create a video in an effective way and in the easiest way, just give the content, select a template, and in fact you don't need to do any of these things. Just click on voiceover, select the voice you want. I'll be selecting Brian male. I'll just click on apply. That's it. So basically, after selecting a template, you need to come to voiceover, select a voice, and click on apply. So once you do that, a voiceover will be generated and all the seconds will be recalculated here. And then all you have to do is to click on save and then click on finish. So to create a video quickly, just enter the URL or the content, select a template, and then come to voiceover in the editor, click on apply, and then click on finish. That's it. That is how you can quickly create a video. And here the options that I talked about earlier is to modify or customize the video. Okay, so you have a lot of voices here you can select, and also you can record your own voice for each individual slide, or else you can upload an audio file. So that is all about voiceover. And to add a background music, just click on music and select the music file that you want and set the volume here. That's it. That's it. The background music will be added to your voiceover. So this is how you can set the background music, and this is all about the video editor. So once you are done, ensure to click on save and then to click on finish. So once you click on finish, the video will be queued for rendering. So now let's discuss about automation. So in automation, basically this works via WordPress RSS feeds. So whenever you create a new post on your WordPress blog, this traffic sensation takes a RSS feed URL and it scans all the posts in your WordPress blog and then generates a video out of it. Here you can generate a lot of videos at once. That is the specialty of automation. So here you need to come to automation by clicking here and then click on create campaign. I'll give the name as AutoCamp1. Here either you can give a WordPress blog URL or else RSS feed. This blog URL is same as campaign, so I'll be showing you how to create via RSS feed. So basically, if you give a URL, it will scan all the links in that particular URL and it will allow you to select which URL you want to convert into a video. So that is all about this URL. So I'll be showing now from an RSS feed. So I have given a sample dummy URL here. I'll just click on next. Now this system will scan that particular RSS feed and it will show you all the links in it. But before that, you need to create a template. For example, let's say my website is about computers. So all I have to do is type computers here and then I can select these options. Basically this is a template. So this will automatically search for images in the stock collection. If I want to use only image in my video as a background, I need to select this. If I want to use only video in my background, then I need to select this. If I want a mix of both, then I need to select mix. Okay, so right now I'll be selecting image only. I'll just click on search. So to select video, you need to click here and then click on search. So basically these all are videos that are matching to this keyword. So I'll be just clicking on next. This is our next step where you can see all the URLs in that RSS feed. So basically here you need to select how many videos you want. For each post it will create a video. Okay, so I'll be selecting a couple of them here. So I have selected in total of 5 posts. So the end output will be 5 videos with the collection of images and videos that I have searched in my last step. So here I'll click on continue. Here you can preview the story, whatever the story that post has. You can edit the story. I believe this post has just one line. So here I can see, okay, this post has multiple lines. So all of them is shown here. And if I want, I can just click on edit story and I can edit it. I can also add new stuff here and I can edit them and delete them as well. And once I'm done, I'll just click on update. So basically once I'm done with editing and tweaking my story, I just need to click on continue. That's it. So basically here when working with RSS, you need to keep in mind that there might be several URLs with no content. So it is mandatory and it is very important for you to come here, click on preview story and check the content of each and every story and modify as it's required. So once this is done, click on continue. And here basically you can like practice or write your YouTube title, description or tags. So once you're done, just click on finish and the system will automatically start creating videos for you. So these are the videos which are scheduled to be created. So this is all about the automation, and this is all about traffic sensation. And in case if you have any doubt or queries, or if you're stuck anywhere, please don't wait up and just send us an email immediately. We will do our best to help you out. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.